I've put a piece of white paper on the underneath the truing stand to make it more visible where the offset is. Sometimes I'll do this in places where there's poor light to get a better view of the marker and the rim. First off, you turn the wheel for a couple of rounds to find where the rim is out of line. That would be here, once again. There it is. Let's count the number of spokes the offset of the rim is. This would be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and here the rim goes back to the marker, so about 8 spokes. This is where the start is. The rim is going to the right. This means we have to tension the spokes that go to the left hand of the hub. We'll have a quick round to have another look. There it is. If the spoke tension is too high, you can also loosen the nipples on the right hand side. I mean, let's see. There it is. Just do this by feel. And only the spokes that go to the left hand side of the hub. I counted 7 spokes, but there are only 4 on the left hand side, so let's do a quick turn. It's better now. We're not quite there yet. There it is again. I would say about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spokes. Let's give them a bit. Just use the left hand side until now. Haven't got enough tension on the spokes as of yet. Way better. Still a bit in it. There it is. Just gonna loosen the spokes on the right hand side a bit because the tension is mounting right now. That was it.